Good afternoon guys, welcome back to the channel. Just going to show you around the Waters Hotel here in Khao Lak. So stay with me and I'll show you around. So here at the Waters main entrance you have the corner shop. Here you can get all your toiletries if you forget them. We'll show you inside. Sparty cap. Okay, so sell little trinkets here and stuff. Swimming costumes, sun lotions, after sun, sunglasses, water, beer. It's all reasonably priced as well. Got your red wine and white wine. So there you go. For all your snacks. Okay, cotton cap. So moving on from the shop area, we're going into the car park. And just next door to the shop is a laundrette. It's 50 baht per wash, 50 baht per dry. And you can see quite big drums. There you go. Car park outside where you can put your bikes, your cars. There's your spirit's house. I have done a video of the spirit's house just to explain what they actually are. And now we're just going into the reception area. Now because the complex is quite big, you have these like golf buggies, so passengers, people who are coming here to stay at the hotel, you actually put them in the back of these golf buggies and set them down to the rooms. I'll show you throughout the complex because show you just how big it actually is. So reception area. Here you get your taxis and your excursions, and that's when you walk through reception. That's the area, that's the bar area, and then massages over there. So stay with me and I'll show you around more. Ready, car? Here you have a waiting room. If you're waiting for your transfers. Little pool table. TV. Gym area. Quite a good gym. As you can see. The music on. There you go. How big it are? Let me know in the comments below. This is your bar area. You know, the bar snacks, all your drinks, the poolside bar. Okay, let me show you this way now. There's plenty of sun lounges. Now these rooms in front of me, they do seem to have the sun all day. Right, so in the morning you come here for your breakfast. and your evening meal. I have done a video of the breakfast, so if you want to look at my channel, you'll actually see it on there, what buffet is like in the morning. So as you come up to here, this is where you give your room number, and then you go find your own table. Okay. So this is the restaurant for breakfast, and in the evening it comes into an Italian bistro. Yeah, this is the entrance to the main streets. Okay, so coming from the restaurants area, I could either set that way, go past the bar, but I'll come at the rear of the properties. Now, this way I can show you some more rooms. If you want to know what the rooms look like, I have done a room review. Again, it's on my channel. What do you think of that? Nice view. See, it's all well soundproofed as well, as you can see. Again, if you notice, there's 10 rooms over there on the right, on my right hand side. You're not getting the sun. Again, I've got the area, the lawn area where you can sunbathe, plenty of sunbeds around. Again, that bridge takes you over to the massage area and the reception. Now I'm over here in this block. My room's there in the corner. Swim up babe room, see. And again, them rooms there, they don't seem to get the sun either. Maybe later on in the day, as the sun comes over a bit further. It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon now. So let's continue. As you can see, one side has the sun, the other side doesn't. Probably in the early morning this side does get the sun. You can see it's in the shade. There's the back wall of the hotel complex. As you can see, it is a big complex, hence why they go around in the golf buggies. Okay, so we'll carry on straight down. I'll show you these chickens. In the morning you do hear the cockerel very early. Again, rooms that way. Yeah, I don't actually think they're proper chickens, I think they're jungle fowl. Full of nice colours, aren't they? This one walks around on the wall every day. And here's his friend. Again, nice big pool. I think this is a new complex that's just been built. Let's go around the back. And as you can see, it's all well maintained. Okay, stay with me. I'll just pause it now and carry on until we get to the bottom of this pathway. Just another quick one. The cleaners are in the rooms every single day. Actually cleaning the rooms out proper, really good and proper, making the bed, changing the towels. So if you worry about towels and stuff, don't be. There's loads of towels. Again, I've just come down the path. This section here, these rooms here, 1891, lock 4. Again, see all the signs showing you. There's a bar, pool bar. So that's the second pool bar in the hotel. Got a jacuzzi area. You can see, bubbling away. Same as the other section. Be the entrance reception. And there you go. And that is the Waters Hotel here in Khao Lak. Waters by Katathani. I think that's right how you pronounce it. If not, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget like, subscribe, and hit the little bell for more videos when they get posted onto YouTube. Okay, thanks for watching guys. See you soon. Bye bye.